Posted up with Yeezy, got that chain on my Rolls Royce. Running up a meal too easy, I ain't got no choice. Did a festival run and I done it, lost my voice. They ain't never let me in this bitch, I kicked the door. If he a rat, then I ain't never gon' trust him. I keep blue cheese inside the duffel. She pull up in a yellow Lamborghini, call her butter. See Roddy corporate, but I run with niggas out the gutter. I been working so hard that I just missed supper. Know some niggas that keep bricks inside a chopper. All my diamonds hit so hard, I got a concussion. I be fucking all the bitches that he cuffin'. I was out in Miami, that's who I was from Orlando. Had to get Dubai money, I'm sliding on the sand though. We recruited niggas out the army with the ammo. Fucked her in a penthouse suite, I better light a candle. I double dutch promethazine, but don't be in my business. We might fly out to your city, and yes, we brought some twins with us. My man be so damn high, he geeky, brought the triple cup. Don't speak on my name, we discipline the nigga dissing us. Posted up with Yeezy, got that chain on my Rolls Royce. Running up a meal too easy, I ain't got no choice. Did a festival run and I done it, lost my voice. They ain't never let me in this bitch, I kicked the door. If he a rat, then I ain't never gon' trust him. I keep blue cheese inside the duffel. She pull up in a yellow Lamborghini, call her butter. See Roddy corporate, but I run with niggas out the gutter. I keep blue cheese inside the duffel. See Roddy corporate, but I run with niggas out the gutter.